What's up, guys? It's your boy Theodorable. Welcome to the safari. Yo, what's up, guys? I'm gonna shoot my curve for a couple days. Let's go inside. Mosquito net so you don't get eaten alive. As my mom says, table with my GoPro, storing that with a frog that hasn't moved in like 2 hours. Shelf with some green buckets. Those are actually for peeing if you're not comfortable going outside at night. That's safe for storing things. Panchitos. It gets cold at night. That's really nice. Mirror, and yeah, this is the place. I'm gonna show you how I shower here in the safari. First, what you're gonna want to do is grab a bucket and you're gonna fill it halfway with water. I already did for this one, so let's head over to the donkey broiler. Now we're here at the donkey broiler. What you're gonna want to do, put your bucket over here, and then you're gonna take off this lid, a knob, turn it upside down so water kind of leaks out. The next step of the donkey is to lift up this bucket, put it right next to your bucket, and then we're gonna put the hot water back into our old bucket. Last step of the long shower process, you're gonna grab your bucket. Then you're gonna wanna untouch that, and then just keep going. All the way to where you reach it. Keep going. Okay, that's good for me. I'll see you when I fill it up. Now that's how you take a shower in the bush.
You got me singing, way oh, oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, oh. You got me singing, way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? dentist and the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. All my friends are turning green. Yeah, the magician's assistant in their dream. Oh. Down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you sing.
Hello, it's me, Eleanor, and this is my frog friend, Mr. Frog. Why I really like him is because he's very polite and he sometimes allows me to pet him, and he moves around the room every single morning. So whenever I wake up, I check for frogs just to make sure that there's more. And yesterday there was actually 2 frogs, but the other one left because it was stormy and it was really rainy. So I like him. He's very, very polite.
And I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Is this movie that I think you like? This guy decides to quit his job and head to New York.